What are people actually saying about your brand online right now? If you don't know, you could be missing out on critical customer feedback, or worse, a reputation crisis waiting to happen. Welcome back. Today, we're looking at Brand24, an AI-powered social listening tool designed to help you track mentions and monitor social media in real time. Whether you are a business owner, a marketer, or a PR professional, keeping an eye on your brand's health is crucial. Brand24 crawls over 25 million online sources, including social media, blogs, news sites, forums, videos, podcasts, and reviews, to make sure you never miss a critical mention. So, how does it actually help you? First, it protects your brand reputation. By tracking mentions as they happen, you can jump into conversations and address negative feedback before it spreads. Second, it features advanced sentiment analysis. This means the AI automatically categorizes mentions as positive, negative, or neutral, so you can easily see how people feel about your business. Beyond reputation management, Brand24 lets you measure your brand awareness and reach. You can track state-of-the-art metrics to see how far your marketing efforts are going and benchmark your performance directly against your competitors. It also includes hashtag tracking, which is perfect for measuring the success of a marketing campaign or finding key influencers in your niche. Plus, you can automate your reporting, making it incredibly easy to share clean PDF reports and statistics with your team or clients. Now, let's talk about reviews. While Brand24 is trusted by thousands of brands and has over a decade of experience in the industry, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have independent third-party user reviews in our database today to give you a list of external pros and cons. However, the platform does offer a free trial, which is the best way to test the AI features and see if the dashboard fits your daily workflow. If you want to stop guessing and start making data-driven decisions based on real customer insights, Brand24 is definitely worth checking out. Head over to brand24.com to sign up for their free trial and start tracking your mentions today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you currently track your brand online. See you in the next video.